What's good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be calibrating the car and also gonna do the first drive with the air suspension. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so now we're about to set up the calibration on the car.
So it's a vehicle on a level surface. This is flat as if you got it on the street. Then you click next. Are the front wheels straight? Yep, you look in the front wheels. Yep, they're straight. The wheel is straight. The front wheel straight, yes. Is the vehicle and all wheels free of obstruction? Yes. Is your manifold mounted? Yes. Do you have one or two compressors? We have two compressors. And we'll show you guys the trunk setup. Enable or disable stance guard. I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna disable it. I never heard of it. It must be something new. Do you have height sensors? Yes. We're gonna check yes. Calibrated, manual, or automatic? We're gonna do auto. Is the vehicle now move? Are you ready? Yes. So we're gonna put the remote inside of here, close the door, and leave the car calibrate. Okay? Yep. So we're going yes. And the car says check-in mounting and everything is going to start going left to right, everything. Yeah, you want to go back.
Alright guys, so now it's calibrating. You're gonna start seeing the car move a little bit.
Other cars, because the management goes for all different types of vehicles, you know what I mean?
I think they're doing a lot more now. That way we do it.
Alright guys, so after your calibration is successful, now you can go ahead and set your height that you want. These two buttons are going to be your air up, the front. These two buttons are going to be the ones to air down for the front, and these two is going to be the ones to air up for the rear, and then these two on the bottom are going to be to air down the rear. And then you got your 5 presets. The middle one's going to be your ride height. The top one's going to be your air up, and then the bottom one's going to be all the way air out. And then you can also set other ones just in case, like if you want to set your stock height, if you want to air it up to stock height, then airing it all the way up to like get over bumps and stuff like that. But the way to set it, I already have mine set up. I have like a finger gap for each fender for the front and the rear. But the way to set it is you want to hold it down, and once you hold it down, it's gonna light up all the numbers green or blue, and then you're gonna hold it again, and then it's gonna save it. Then you can also do it for the other ones too, to save whatever presets you want. Then you can also go in the settings, which is you're gonna hold the ride height and you're gonna hold the one on top, and it's gonna take you to the settings, and then you can go to operations, and then you can set your rides to start. You can turn it on, so if you have your car aired out and you get in the car and you start it, it's gonna air back up to the ride height. And then it also got some other stuff that you could play around with that I haven't went into deep, but I know there's other people that have went deep in details of what these other stuff can do. But all I wanted was the main stuff. But now we're going to get into the first drive with the Airlift. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to do a little bit driving with the Airlift suspension on it now. See how it feels hitting bumps and stuff. Supercharger one now, a lot more because it's colder outside now. Definitely takes the bump smooth. Not like a hard thump. It's like it takes it like a smooth hit. Let him go for it so I can try to enjoy the little ride. Manual action. car is way lower, you gotta watch out for some of these bumps because it's definitely gonna scrape on your fender liners a little bit. And then you're gonna also have to watch about the front bumper because the engine's up front, so all that weight drops down. Most likely the only thing that's probably gonna hit is your skid pad that's on the bottom, depending on how low you go. Because as you can see, mine is like normally is at like 85 for the front, 95 for the front, for the back. I could definitely see when people that put air suspension on it say it feels floaty, but I don't really care too much about it feeling floaty when you get on it, because I know this car can handle it, and I know exactly how to handle the car if something happens. So it's gonna be not hard, but this car definitely takes the corners nicely. But you can feel all that weight hits that side. But it feels nice. Feels a little bit just softer than the normal suspension. Slow down. So I'll scrape the front bumper. That supercharger just sounds nice. Taking all these bumps nicely. Nothing too crazy. Definitely probably gonna need alignment after lowering the car. Hopefully that B-Woody camera arm can fix that issue. I see a lot of people that put cameras on, different cameras on it. It end up still being able to mess up and still put negative degrees on it, which hopefully I hope this hooks up and stays. You know, all this power and vibrations, things start to shake and start loosening up a little bit. So hopefully that stays tightened and nothing move out of place. Too crazy that you can hear the car going through the RPM, shifting. guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And please, in the description, let me know how you guys like the air suspension. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.